My serious game walkthrough is on Cashflow Classic, a game created by Robert Kiyosaki from Rich Dad Poor Dad and his team. The purpose of this game is to teach individuals financial education, how to manage their money better, to create cash flow rather than net worth. Now the screens will chop and change between what's happening as I show you exactly what the game entails. Firstly, we'll create a new room. I'll just do this with one player so we can go through nice and quickly. So we go test, create game, begin game. Now you choose your dream. My favourite to go with is always the kids library. If you hit repay, this brings up your financial statement. It tells you your salary you've got coming in, your expenses going out, how much you get paid, and all your liabilities. The idea is to reduce these liabilities and have your passive income exceed your total expenses. Bear with us and I'll jump straight in the game. Now there's two parts in the game. You've got your inner track. We'll pass on that one because that's not a good deal, which is your rat race. Comparable to modern life where you've got day-to-day earnings. Once your passive income exceeds your expenses, you come out here onto the fast lane, which is where you get some really good opportunities. Okay, as you can see here, there has been a deal pop up for a condo. It has a cost of $50,000, a cash flow of $100 a month with a down payment of $500. I have $2,120 there, so I've got a decision to make. I can either take a loan or pass on it. Now if we have a look there, it'll be a loan of $3,000 with a monthly payment of $300. If I pay that off quickly, then I've got $100 cash flow to bring me up in my passive income. So we'll do that. We'll pass that. And now if we go into repay, I've got $1,500. We will go in and we'll pay $1,000 off that, which brings up the passive income to 100. Now as you can see, the game throws real life scenarios at you as well, like buying a new boat, pay $18,000, down pay $1,000 and add a $17,000 boat loan as part of a new liability, and add a new boat loan payment of $340 to expenses. You don't get a choice there. Obviously that's something that's happening in the family here in the game, but it reflects what's actually happening in real life, so we'll do that. Now within the game you're also given a choice of small deals or big deals. Small deals cost less than $5,000, big deals cost more than $6,000. As you can see, while it's been paused, I've managed to clear out a fair whack of debt through selling a couple of properties. I've got some good shares there, whether they're low I can make some money on, and I've got 23 grand cash in the bank. Now let's have a look at the big deal and see what we can get. Fourplex for sale by owner, moving to another state. That gives me $2,000 cash flow with a down payment of 32 grand, so I only need to borrow 9 to do that. Now as you can see, the monthly payment is still less than the cash flow, so that's a good deal. And this is the type of thing that the game teaches you, how to manage your cash flow against your liabilities. So we'll do that. We'll take out a loan. We'll buy that one. Now as you can see, that gives me passive income of $2,160. We're getting close to what we need, as the total expenses of $3,990. By paying out the loans and getting that down, we'll see that come up. Now as you can see, I have the total expenses very, very close to your passive income. By paying out that loan there, that will bring me above it and get me out of the rat race. So let's do that and I'll show you the fast track quickly. So we're out of the rat race and we've got 100 times your passive income. So as you can see, we're in the fast track here now. The idea to win, you either need to buy your dream or increase your cash flow day income to $3,933,000. At the moment I'm at $3,480. So let's buy that one there because that gives us $10,000 a month. Someone else's. As you can see by going through the cash flow Okay, we just lost all the cash in a divorce. That happens. Okay, don't have enough cash to buy my dream. That's a shame. Okay, as you can see, we're about to buy the chicken franchise, which will bring our passive income to the income goal of $393,000. So by doing that, we've won the game. Now, what the educational activities here in the game is it teaches you numerical literacy, so you can understand what's happening with your cash flow in and out, your liabilities, how much you owe, and how to best get to where you're going. And hopefully the game will change attitudes of the players by showing them how to best use their money to improve their cash flow rather than their net worth and what they own. That's the whole idea of the game. Now I find this very, very effective, and I have implemented these strategies in the past with personal experience to good effect. So that's my quick walkthrough. I know I've gone over time, but it is hard with a game like this to nut it down to 2 minutes. Hopefully you enjoy. Thank you for watching.